guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, because Halloween is coming up, or actually it will be Halloween on the day you see this, we are painting Halloween rocks. And so we're gonna just paint a base coat of white on these, and then we'll be back and show you what we're gonna paint on them next. See you in a bit. Okay guys, we have our rocks painted white. We just use this apple barrel white, just from a craft store. It's acrylic paint. And so I covered the rocks in that white. That just gives it a coat to, so that the other paint won't soak into the pores of the rock, and it gives it a good base. So this one, I'm gonna make into a ghost. So I'm just gonna do a couple eyeballs and a mouth. Pretty simple. Hopefully simple. There we go. There. There we go. There's our ghost. So now for the second one I'm gonna do is this one, and it's gonna be an eyeball for Halloween, a spooky eyeball with bloodshot eyes. So I'm gonna do a circle for the eyeball first. It's hard to do a circle. All right, then I just have water in this cup here that I'm rinsing my brush out on. I'm gonna color this one blue. So I'm just gonna color in the circle with the blue. And I do the pupil in the middle there. Okay, now I'm going to do some black lines going in from the outside. Alright. And I'm going to do a couple white spots where the sun or the light glares off the eyeball. Top, and then one down here. Then I'm going to do the bloodshot lines. And I'm just going to use a toothpick and my red paint here. And I'm going to come up from the sides here. Make sure you don't get straight lines. There, and then you just kind of do that all around. So tell us in the comments what you are doing for Halloween. You've done any paintings, any crafts, going trick-or-treating, handing out candy. What are you gonna dress up as? There we go. There is my eyeball. All right, now Marissa is going to paint her rocks.
Okay, the rocks are finally done drying, hopefully. And I'm gonna do a finger on this one, and then a candy corn on this one. I'll just start doing it, I guess. Okay. And I made this color my skin tone, kind of. I'm gonna do the finger first. And then I'll let it dry. Now while I let this one dry, I'm gonna do the candy corn. Okay, so I'm gonna do like an outline for the candy corn, and then I'm gonna make the black. Okay, we're back. It's done drying, and now I'm gonna do
The knuckles?
Yeah, the knuckles.
It is Halloween. Maybe he's got a dead fingernail on his severed finger.
I'm gonna put red at the back here so it looks like it just got pulled off.
Ooh, cut off his finger.
Yeah.
Now, if you're going to put these rocks outside, you should spray them with something, because if this paint got wet, it would get ruined. But you could spray it with some sort of sealer if you wanted to put them outside. I'm thinking it'd probably look good on a like on the table or Halloween buffet. A severed finger.
That looks good.
Looks really good.
This is not done drying yet, so we'll be back again. Okay, the candy corn is pretty much dry, so I'm gonna start doing the candy corn. I think this is the order which the candy corn goes in. Pretty sure I'm right. White goes on top, orange goes in the middle, and yellow goes on the bottom. So I'm gonna start with white, even though it's already white. I'm still gonna do white. Okay, turning a bit gray. And then I'm gonna do orange. This paintbrush is not very good for this. Hopefully this paintbrush is better.
It's a nice thing about art is you get to do whatever you want.
Could be snowing, it could be nighttime. You never know.
Very cool.
Maybe it's both.
Here are our Halloween rocks. We have a severed finger, a candy corn, an eyeball, and a ghost. I hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time.
And I forgot what to say. I'll just start.